So this is how you import a bunch of things that you want to stay in alignment in Slic3r, whether you have multi-material or not. So I'm going to import something I made recently as a little visualizer for the extruder motor. And then instead of adding the logo part, which goes underneath, what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click here, and I'm going to say load part, and I'm going to load the logo, right? And it loads it underneath as a separate part, right? So just to visually, so you can see that, I'm going to leave this one, I'm going to set this one to be black, which is extruder 3. But if you don't touch these, they'll just use the same extruder anyway. But it's just easier to see this way. So turn it upside down. So now you can see if I move this part around, they'll stay in alignment, right? Both those two parts. And you can do that with any number of parts. So I could just, load any given object. Bench dog storage tube, here we go, right? So now it's on the same, even though it's a completely different object, now whenever I move it around, it's going to stay, they're going to stay exactly in alignment. And that's what you were looking for. So there you go, that's how you do that.